Hello, video guy here. So I want you to look on my screen right now. Focus on my screen. Over here, you can see that I have 1,594 buyers requests, right, on this particular account. Okay, so what this means is that I have greater chances of pitching my service to these customers directly than someone that has probably around 100 buyers requests to 20 buyers requests. Okay, and buyers request is that place that you go to talk to buyers directly without even having to have them in your inbox. Okay, so a lot of sellers on Fiverr have this issue that the buyers requests are not showing up. Even if it's to show up, they show up and disappear and all of those things. Okay, so this is the main reason why I'm doing this video. I'm going to show you this quick hack that will fix that. Okay, so without further shalaye, let's get to the video. By the way, before I get started, let me put on my glasses and talk to you guys, video guy to my friends. So there is one thing I just want to talk about that I don't feel good on this channel. Most of you watch my videos, watch my content, most especially first viewers. You love my content, you gain value, then you just leave JJ without subscribing, without liking, without sharing my videos. It's not fair now. It's not fair. The least you could do for me is to like, subscribe if you love my content and want to see more, and share my videos. It will help encourage me to keep on putting out more videos for you guys. Okay, so have you done that? Thank you so much. So let's dive into the video. So okay, so if you are finding it very difficult to find buyers requests, probably you don't see buyers requests more often on your account, okay, like mine here, all you need to do is go over to your gig. If you are setting up a gig or you have set it up already, go over to where we have the overview. Okay, when you are setting up a gig, you see overview, you see pricing, you see description, you see requirements, you see gallery, right? So that's a part. I want you to go to where you have overview. That's if you are setting up your gig for the first time. Okay, so you should have this place. You have title, just do your title, normal title. Then the next section where you have category. Okay, category, you see that the first category is, okay, in my own case I'm editing this gig, so I can't easily change it. So the category this particular gig is under programming and tech. Okay, so and under this programming and tech is just static, you can't change it. Then the second that's subcategory. Okay, subcategory, this is where the magic lies. Okay, so you have, this, you have so many subcategories. You have WordPress, blah blah blah, and all of those things. I want you to scroll down. Okay, you see order. All right, so I want you to choose these orders. Okay, so this is actually the hack. I want you to choose these orders. Okay, so when you choose it and then you continue, and I just want to state why. So you may have this question: why do I, like, what will this thing do? Like, what will it do? From experience, I've been on this platform for years, and from experience, the moment you choose this order, most buyers that post buyers requests are, if you come here, they are so confused. You see, all subcategories, like most buyers that post buyers requests, they are so confused, like they don't even know which category their requests belong to. They don't know where this will go. They don't know whether this request belongs to WordPress or it belongs to customization. So all they do is just they go to this order and choose and then post buyers request. Okay, so whenever you choose this, so those buyers requests, those confused buyers that don't know where the category lies, where it falls under, their buyers request and other buyers requests that you have will pop up on your buyers request tab. Okay, so this is what basically this hack does. Okay, so but aside this, let me also give a detailed explanation to how buyers request on Fiverr works. Okay, these are all the hacks. I already showed you the hack. Okay, so once you choose orders, then you can continue setting up your gigs. Select all those blocks, select all of them, like most let's say most relevant ones to your gig: blogs, businesses, portfolios, and coach. Select the most. Okay, so this is where all the magic happens. This is where you tell Canva, this is what my gig is all about and where I want the buyer's request to pop up. Okay, so all of these things, they matter. Apart from the tags, the tax is just for the SEO purpose. The category, okay, the service type, okay, the service type, and the gig, okay, the gig, meta gigs, specialization, supported plugin, and all of those things. It differs with your gigs, okay. So make sure that this section of setting up your gig, you pay attention to them. All right, okay. So that's by the way. Then how does I want to also mention things that affect our buyer's request. Okay, so first of all, if you are a level 1 seller on Fiverr, we don't expect the same buyer's request with someone that is a level 2 seller on Fiverr. No, someone that is no level on Fiverr you shouldn't expect the same buyer's request should show up on your account with someone that is in level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay, so it differs. So if you're in no level on Fiverr, you should be having very low levels of buyer's requests. Okay, so if once you step into level 1, you'll be seeing more of buyer's requests. Once you step into level 2, you'll be seeing more of buyer's requests. But to increase your chances as a no level buyer, you have no level, you are just getting started on Fiverr, and your best bet is do this thing I just showed you now. Make sure you have 7 gigs. Okay, so make sure you have 7 gigs, and each of those gigs you make sure that you fill all these necessary things. Okay, necessary things I showed you, make sure you fill all of them in. Your categories, your service type, specialization, supported plugin, integrated plugin, all of these things, it differs with the gigs. Okay, I'm just using my gig to show you an example. Okay, to show an example. So make sure that I fill all these things up. Okay, and in one of those gigs, I told you 7 gigs, open 7 gigs. In one of those, like 2 gigs, okay, let's say 2 gigs, make sure you apply this hack I just mentioned. Go to category, choose others. Okay, it's as simple as this. All right, so I think I won't have to stress this video much. So if you have any question, this is the hack I just gave you right there. So it's not complicated. It's not something very cumbersome. If you have any question that bothers you, if you have any question on Fiverr, please leave it in the description. I'll be there to take your questions. If you want me to do videos, if you have video topics you want me to work on, because sometimes I just get confused on which videos to make and what videos to make for you guys. So please, if you are still watching up to this moment, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know the kind of videos you want to see more on this channel. Okay, so having said this, the next thing before you leave, always like my videos. It helps tell YouTube that I'm doing amazing work. It will help push my videos to algorithm. Please, it's just a plea from you watching this right now. Always like my videos if you love them. Anyway, I'm not forcing you. Share my videos, share them, leave a comment. Okay, let's be interactive on this channel. So I wish you good luck with this particular hack I just showed you. Go dominate Fiverr. Bye. Peace for now.